Greetings and welcome to Graded International Relations 2. I am standing right now on the soccer field of the Graded School, my school in Brazil. For those of you who are graded students taking the course, you're probably thinking, why is Bear telling us this? We know exactly where he is. There's an important reason. Over the vacation, I traveled to my home in Western Pennsylvania in the United States, and during that time I met with a group of students from my high school, Wilmington Area High School, and floated the idea of them being a part of this course. 16 of them agreed, and so now, along with the 23 students we have from Graded who are taking International Relations 2, we also have 16 students from the United States, specifically from New Wilmington, my hometown in Western Pennsylvania. So, welcome to the kids from Wilmington Area High School, and I've got to tell you that this is pretty meaningful for me because the two most important places in my life, my home in New Wilmington and my home here in Brazil, are in some ways being linked together through the interactions that will occur this semester between the students of Graded and the students of Wilmington area. So I am excited about the opportunity. I look forward to working with everybody involved. So how do we begin this week? Directly underneath this screen in the web page, you will see a number of different links. The most important one for you right now is the link on the left-hand side, your right, that says Week 1. You click on Week 1 and that's going to give you a day-by-day breakdown of what we're going to do this week. You will also find there links to various other sites that you will need to go to during the week, as well as PDF documents. If I were you, the way that I would begin this week is this. When you click on Week 1, you're going to see that the first thing you're going to do on Tuesday morning, or whenever you access the site, is you're going to click on a link, and it's called Jing. You're going to click on the Jing, and the Jing is going to be a short movie that is going to show you everything you need to know about how to manipulate and how to navigate on the web page. That would be the first thing that I would do. The second thing that I would do is I would go to a link called WSCA. WSCA is an acronym for what you should know after a certain week. So for example, this week's WSCA is what you should know after Week 1. The design of this course is that the goals, your learning goals, the things that I want you to achieve by the end of the week, you are going to deal with at the beginning of the week. So the first thing you should do every time you log in on Tuesday morning is to go to WSCA and see the things that you're going to be required to know throughout the upcoming week. Once you've done the WSCA, then it is time for you to explore the site and to start achieving the goals set out for you, laid out for you in the Week 1 overview. Okay? So, I have spent a lot of time organizing this website so it is user-friendly, so it's easy for you to use and to navigate. If it is not, I need to know that as soon as possible. My email address is in a couple different places on the website. You should be able to find it easily. The final thing that I will say. On your left-hand side, my right, if I'm on the screen now in the web page, there's a section called Teacher's Note or Daily Note. And each morning I'm going to get up and I'm going to check the headlines and I'm going to read some articles, and then I will relay information that I find that I believe is important to you. Not only from a content perspective, how to day-to-day international relations tie in with the content we are studying, but also the more protracted affairs that we are looking at. For example, this week we're talking about Iraq. Any new happenings in Iraq will be also part of your daily note. That is not mandatory. It's just a way for me to be in constant communication with you and be showing you how the theory that we're studying is happening in the real world as we speak. Once again, welcome. It's my great pleasure to have you. I thank you for taking the course. Have a good first week.